Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the under half double crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you can make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, we are going to start with the under of the under half double crochet stitch. So normally when you make a stitch, you yarn over your hook, but for this we are going to yarn under our hook and it's going to look like that. You're then going to make a half double crochet stitch like normal into the second chain. And that's how it's going to look. Again, you're going to yarn under and make a half double crochet into the next chain. Yarn under, make a half double crochet into the next chain. And that's how those are looking. If you are already used to making half double crochet stitches, it does take a little while to get used to doing the yarn under, but it is very easy to do, as you can see. So you're now going to make one under half double crochet stitch into each chain across. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. So we're going to be doing the same thing as row 1. We're just going to be working into stitches. You're going to yarn under your hook and make a half double crochet into each stitch like normal. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the under half double crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.